Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove like filler words and pauses in your videos in CapCut PC. So I use the word a lot. You'll see that later. I just have a video here. You're just going to select this. This is a pro feature, so keep that in mind. Select remove filler words. It's going to identify repeats, filler words, as well as pauses. So whenever you repeat stuff twice, it's going to remove it. Here you'll see the pauses that I have, so I'm just going to click where it is and I'll see if I want to remove it longer, like that. So I do want to remove it, so I want to select it, and for instance, don't want to remove the second pause. I'm just going to unclick that. And then on this one, I want to keep it, select both. And here are the repeats. I don't have any, and the filler words I do have, so I'm going to select the clip and locate it, text effect on, and I think it removed the if I disabled that. Hold on. I do see the word so I'm just going to enable it again, and it's going to delete that text effect on CapCut PC. And what about this one? I hope I do say the word again, and once you have selected the words and pauses you want to remove, select delete. I can't press it because I don't have the pro option, but that's what you're going to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!